Now let's fire them. Okay, let's fire Ryan. Whoa!
Welcome to Rishi's Fun Learning.
Hi! Today I'm going to unbox this Ryan's World's Deluxe Mystery Figure Set. Let's start. Let me tell you what's inside this box. There is 14 pieces. More. Combo Panda. Kung Fu Ryan. Robot Ryan. Scientist Ryan. Racer Ryan. Red Titan. Gus. Ryan. And it also has a mystery box. And egg blaster, 3 eggs. Let's open it. Wow! Let's take out one by one. Okay. Come out more. You got scared. Combo. You're too tight, combo. He doesn't want to play and come out. He's going. Oh. Sleeping, everybody. He is too tight and strong. Scientist has glue, so he glued himself. He's crazy. He's now very, very tight. You now. What was he doing inside the box? Did you see? Lazy and funny. Yeah, he's not going to stand. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Let's go to the mission. He likes gummies, so he glue him in the gummy bears. And at least Ryan, the main character. Watch it. Come out. Come out. Boom. I took out the mystery box. Now I'm going to take out the eggs and the blaster. Let's just take the blaster out first. And the eggs. Oops. It has places to put your finger in to pick up the eggs. From the hen. Ooh, hey. Go away, box. Now let's play. let's arrange them. Whoa. Combo, let's play games. Kung Fu Lion, hiya! Red Titan Lion, the superhero. Okay. I don't know him. Guys, let's eat gummies. Scientist. Fixing things. Robot Ryan. I can carry heavy loads. Woo! And Racer Ryan. Let's race. Now let's put the figure box right here and the blaster over here and eggs with the blaster. Here. Let's open this mystery box. Oh, who is it? It's blue in color. Sea Diver Ryan. His name is Sea Diver Ryan. Let's dive in the water. Okay, let's put it here. Now let's play. Blah blah blah. Yes, right. Today is a game out. Hurry up! Whoa! Kung Fu Lion. Kicking everybody, I kick you. Huh? Yeah, who's talenting? Should we stop the fighting? Yes, we should stop the fighting. Yes. Have you had some gummies, Ryan? Come on. Well, what is it? Now let's fire them. Okay, let's fire Ryan. Whoa! Hiya! You have to be kidding me. Yes, I haven't even missed this cake. Whoa! It's gone. Feel it. Oh, I missed. Okay, now that I have got some egg, I fire. Yes. Mo is in the facing room. Bye.